In the e-commerce world, two giants stand tall, Shopify and Printify. But which one reigns supreme? Let's put them head-to-head. Shopify, a renowned all-in-one commerce platform, and Printify, a print-on-demand marketplace, have both made significant strides in the digital marketplace. Today, we'll be comparing these two platforms on several key aspects, including their ease of use, pricing structure, product selection, and customer support. So buckle up as we dive into the nitty-gritty of Shopify and Printify. First, let's look at the bright side, the advantages of each platform. Shopify is a real powerhouse in the e-commerce world. Its wide range of features makes it an all-in-one solution for online businesses. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or high-tech gadgets, Shopify has you covered. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, allowing even the least tech-savvy among us to set up shop with ease. Not to mention, Shopify's extensive app store provides scope for customization and expansion, making it a flexible choice for growing businesses. On the other hand, Printify shines with its wide product selection. Whether you're into t-shirt printing or mug personalization, Printify has an array of products to choose from. What's more, there are no upfront costs, making it a low-risk option for startups. Plus, Printify's easy integration with other platforms, including Shopify, makes it a versatile choice for multi-channel sellers. Clearly, each platform brings its own strengths to the table. However, no platform is perfect. Let's delve into the drawbacks. Starting with Shopify, one of the significant downsides is its transaction fees. Unless you use Shopify payments, you'll be hit with additional fees per transaction, which can eat into your profits. Moreover, for beginners, there's a steep learning curve. While Shopify offers a plethora of features, it can be overwhelming for someone just starting out in e-commerce. Moving on to Printify, the cons are slightly different. One of the main issues is the limited customization options. Unlike Shopify, where you can customize your store's look and feel, Printify doesn't offer the same flexibility. Furthermore, Printify is heavily dependent on third-party suppliers. This means you have less control over the quality and consistency of your products, which could potentially impact your brand's reputation. While these platforms have their drawbacks, the right choice depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Let's recap the main points about Shopify and Printify. Both platforms offer unique advantages that can propel your e-commerce business to new heights. Shopify, a renowned e-commerce platform, provides an all-in-one solution for online stores. Its user-friendly interface, extensive app marketplace, and robust customer support make it a top choice for many e-commerce enthusiasts. However, it does come with its downsides, such as higher costs and less flexibility in product sourcing. On the other hand, Printify, a print-on-demand platform, allows you to design and sell your own custom products with ease. It offers a wide range of product options and integrates well with various e-commerce platforms, including Shopify. Yet, it's important to note that Printify requires a hands-on approach and may not be ideal for those seeking a more comprehensive solution. Now let's talk about Shopify's stats. With over 1 million businesses in 175 countries and a total gross merchandise volume exceeding $100 billion, Shopify's impact on the e-commerce landscape is undeniable. However, it's crucial to remember that the best platform isn't determined by popularity or size. It's about what fits your business needs and goals. Whether you're looking for an all-in-one solution like Shopify or a more niche, hands-on platform like Printify, the decision ultimately lies in your hands. So there you have it, Shopify or Printify, the choice is yours. Remember, the best platform is the one that suits your business needs and goals the best.